Hello everyone. I'm starting an English speaking for myself. It's not for views. It's for myself. If you want, then you head. If you not want, then skip it. Uh, Today I want to tell about what is a better degree or knowledge. Look, what is a more important for us as a career. Look, degree is a specific certificate which is provided by educational institution. This certificate is a provide of to these certificates are provide us knowledge, but they not provide a skill. Every institute, every field want a skill. Without skill we cannot survive any field. If you want to earn money, then you have to skill. Without school nobody can you give opportunity, a single opportunity. If you have a degree, recently I passed a graduation. I'm many of a field I try to get a part-time job. They would not give me a particular job. I give a resume, they are rejected because I have a no skill. That's people are not interested to give me a opportunity. So please everybody, please, it's a humble request, do not run away degree. Degree is important, but it is important as a formal form. It is not important as a, if you it is not, if you want a particular look. In simple words, degree cannot give you work. Degree cannot only give you opportunity. If you want opportunity, then grab a particular skill. The most important skill is which is pupil demand, that is the AI. If you learn AI, I am recently start a AI learning. I don't know what is a go away in my career, but now I want to improve my skill. That is most important is English, because English is a more important language in our country. Without English we cannot survive in every field. If you want to, if you have this skill, the English speaking skill, you get a better respect from from your environmental pupil or other professional field. If you have this language, then they are a respect to you. If you not, it means that you are not able to stand that position which is you have a grabbed. So I only tell you, degree is important but not much important. Only skill is a much important if you want earning. Okay, so thank you so much to listen my audio. Thank you.